Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make this whipped cream buttercream. As you can see, it is silky smooth and yep, it tastes amazing and wonderful. It is the perfect buttercream for any of your desserts or cake. So guys, follow me through as I show you this recipe. Firstly, of course, you need your bowl and a butter. Whip this up until it is pale and fluffy. I whipped my butter for like 7 minutes just so to get this consistency you're seeing right now and this color and this texture. And guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that. It always makes my day when I see a new subscriber. So after whipping it up, you proceed to add your icing sugar, your caster sugar or confectionery sugar. Swift that in and mix it up again for like 3 minutes this time. This buttercream is really amazing and it's quite simple. As you can see, I'm just doing a really small batch of this because it's a really small cake I am doing this for. So whip this up for 3 minutes like I said, and then proceed to your whipped cream. I am using a dry whipped cream over here. This is how I combine my dry whipped cream to make it watery. I would add my whipped cream powder, my milk powder, and a very chilled water. So give this a very quick mix and make it as thick as this. Of course guys, do not worry, the written recipe and description will be down below in the description box. So proceed to add your whipped cream, your vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Whip this up. You are definitely whipping this up like for 7 to 10 minutes because you need to whip that whipped cream well to have this perfect consistency. As you can see guys, the buttercream is not so stiff but it tastes wonderful. So I hope you do try this out because it tastes wonderful guys. I really would want you to try this out. It is the perfect frosting for a very nice soft dessert. So do try this out and do not forget to subscribe for more. So do subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.